7 jobs that won't exist in 2030, and 7 that will pay $200,000 a year. Right now, millions of people are working jobs that will not exist in 5 years. Not because the economy collapsed, not because of a recession, but because artificial intelligence is systematically replacing entire categories of human work at a speed that most people are completely unprepared for. Today, we are going to be direct and specific. We will name the 7 jobs most likely to disappear before 2030, and then we will show you the 7 new jobs that are already paying $200,000 a year or more that most people have never even heard of. If you are thinking about your career, your income, or your future, this video is the most important thing you will watch today. Before we start, here is the critical context. This is not about robots taking over the world. This is about economics. When AI can do a task faster, cheaper, and more accurately than a human, companies will use AI. It is already happening, quietly, in every industry. The question is not whether this will affect you. The question is whether you will be on the right side of it. Job number 1 that will not exist in 2030, data entry clerk. This one is already almost gone. AI systems can process, categorize, and enter data with near-perfect accuracy at a speed no human can match, at a fraction of the cost. Companies that employed dozens of data entry staff 5 years ago now do the same work with a single AI system and 1 human supervisor. If your job involves entering information from one system to another, flagging records or processing forms, this work is being automated right now. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics already projects a 19% decline in data entry jobs by 2029. This is not a prediction. It is already underway. Job number 2, customer service representative. We covered this in a previous video. AI agents like Intercom Fin now handle up to 80% of customer queries automatically. But it is getting more sophisticated. The newer generation of AI customer service tools handle complex complaints, process refunds, manage escalations, and do it all with a tone and accuracy that rivals the best human agents. Companies are not eliminating customer service entirely, but they are eliminating the vast majority of human roles in it. By 2030, most customer service interactions will be handled entirely by AI. The remaining human roles will be supervisory and highly specialized. Job number 3, bank teller and loan officer. Financial services have been automating for years, but AI has accelerated it dramatically. AI now processes loan applications, assesses credit risk, detects fraud, and advises customers on financial products, all without human involvement. Major banks have already announced significant workforce reductions in these roles. By 2030, the branch banking model as we know it will largely be gone. Job number 4, paralegal and legal researcher. Law firms pay paralegals significant salaries to read documents, research case law, and prepare briefs. AI systems can now do this work in minutes rather than days, with greater accuracy and comprehensiveness than a human paralegal. Large law firms are already reducing paralegal headcount significantly. The legal research role as a standalone position will largely not exist by 2030. Job number 5, basic content writer and copywriter. If your writing job involves producing standard marketing copy, product descriptions, basic blog posts, or templated content, AI already does this better and faster than most humans. Content mills, basic SEO writing farms, and generic copywriting agencies are already collapsing. By 2030, the market for standard commodity writing will be almost entirely automated. Job number 6, junior financial analyst. The entry-level finance role that involves pulling data, building basic models, and producing reports is being automated. AI can process earnings reports, run financial models, and produce analytical summaries faster and with fewer errors than a junior analyst. The traditional path of spending 3 years as a junior analyst before becoming a senior analyst is disappearing. Companies are hiring fewer juniors and expecting the ones they do hire to work alongside AI from day one. Job number 7, radiologist and diagnostic imaging specialist. This one surprises people, but AI diagnostic tools now match or exceed human radiologists in detecting certain cancers, tumors, and abnormalities in medical imaging. And they never get tired, never have a bad day, and can process thousands of images simultaneously. This does not mean doctors disappear. It means the specialized role of reading imaging results is being absorbed by AI, with doctors focusing on patient interaction, treatment planning, and complex decision-making. Now for the 7 jobs that will pay $200,000 a year or more by 2030, and that most people are not preparing for right now. Job number 1, AI prompt engineer and workflow architect. Companies need specialists who can design, optimize, and maintain complex AI workflows. This means knowing how to prompt large language models effectively, how to chain multiple AI systems together, and how to troubleshoot when AI outputs go wrong. This role did not exist 5 years ago. Today it pays between $100,000 and $250,000 annually at major technology companies. Job number 2, AI trainer and alignment specialist. Someone has to teach AI systems how to behave correctly, evaluate their outputs, and ensure they align with company values and legal requirements. This role combines psychology, ethics, domain expertise, and technical knowledge. It is one of the fastest growing and highest paying roles in the entire technology sector right now. Job number 3, human AI collaboration manager. As companies deploy AI across their operations, they need managers who understand both the human side and the AI side of workflows. This person ensures that human teams and AI systems work together effectively, that AI outputs are properly supervised, and that the organization is getting maximum value from its AI investments. Companies are paying premium salaries for people who can bridge this gap. Job number 4, synthetic media auditor. With AI-generated content flooding every platform and channel, companies, governments, and media organizations desperately need specialists who can detect AI-generated content, verify authenticity, and manage the legal and ethical questions around synthetic media. This role is emerging rapidly and paying very well precisely because so few people have the skills to do it. Job number 5, personalized medicine data scientist. Combining AI, genomics, and continuous health monitoring data to develop personalized treatment plans is one of the most exciting frontiers in healthcare. The specialists who can work at this intersection of biology, data science, and AI are among the most sought-after professionals in the world right now, with salaries that frequently exceed $200,000. Job number 6, climate technology systems engineer. The transition to clean energy and climate resilience is one of the largest infrastructure investments in human history, and AI is central to optimizing every part of it, from smart grid management to carbon capture system design. The engineers who combine deep technical knowledge with AI systems expertise in this space are commanding salaries that reflect how urgently the world needs them. Job number 7, AI ethics and governance specialist. Governments, corporations, and international organizations are scrambling to create frameworks for how AI should be developed, deployed, and regulated. The people who combine legal knowledge, technical understanding, ethical reasoning, and policy expertise to navigate this space are in extraordinary demand. This role sits at the intersection of law, technology, and public policy, and it pays accordingly. Here is the pattern across all 7 of these new roles. None of them are about replacing AI or pretending it does not exist. All of them are about working alongside AI, directing it, auditing it, governing it, and capturing value from it. The fundamental shift of our era is not humans versus AI. It is humans who understand AI versus humans who do not. The single most important career decision you can make right now is to develop genuine fluency with AI tools, not as a curiosity, but as a core professional skill. The window to build this advantage is still open. It will not stay open forever. The people who move now will look back in 5 years and recognize this as the moment that separated their career trajectory from everyone who waited. That is exactly what this channel is here to help you do. Every single week, we break down the AI tools, the emerging job markets, and the technologies that are building tomorrow. So you are always ahead of the shift, never behind it. Subscribe right now and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. And if you are watching this and thinking about which of these new roles fits your background and skills, drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. See you in the next video. Use these exact production settings. Dark cinematic tech aesthetic with dark backgrounds and teal and blue accents. No human presenter or avatar on screen. Smooth professional transitions. Subtle low-volume corporate tech background music, never louder than the voiceover. Display key terms as bold text overlays whenever mentioned, such as data entry clerk, customer service, bank teller, paralegal, content writer, financial analyst, radiologist, AI prompt engineer, AI trainer, collaboration manager, synthetic media auditor, personalized medicine, climate technology, AI ethics. Use realistic tech footage showing offices, computers, AI interfaces, data dashboards, medical imaging, clean energy, futuristic workplaces, clean white bold sans serif font for all text overlays, 16:9 horizontal format at 1080p optimized for YouTube, confident authoritative English male voiceover, video length 12 minutes.